In this tutorial, we'll walk through step by step how to use OpenAI to generate tags from the product title and description in Shopify. Generating the right tags for each product can be a tedious process, but you need to have the right tags for each product to help with search, collections, and even organizing the Shopify admin. Be sure to have the MESA app added to your Shopify store. To get started quickly, add MESA for free or enjoy a 7-day trial on any paid plan. Now, let's make this workflow. First, choose the Shopify app and click Product to filter the list of actions. Then, choose the product created action. Next, search and choose the OpenAI app as the next step for this workflow. Choose Prompt from the list of actions. Follow the simple instructions to connect OpenAI using your account credentials. For this tutorial, let's tell the AI to write a few comma-separated tags using no more than 2 words for each, based on the product title and description. Open the variable selector and choose the product's title and body HTML variables to include within the prompt instructions. Then scroll to the max tokens field and change this to 50. This is the maximum number of characters for the string of tags to generate. The rest of the fields can be left to their defaults. Next, add another step to the workflow. Choose Shopify. Then, the Product Add Tag action. Click the variable selector to assign the product ID from the step that started this workflow. Then, for the tags to be added, choose the variable called text under the OpenAI prompt step. When prompted, choose Return First Item from the modal. We want the first string of comma-separated values that OpenAI generates. Lastly, save your workflow. Give it a unique name. Then, turn your workflow on. That's it. Now, let's see it in action. For example, in our Shopify admin site, we have this product which doesn't have any tags applied to it. But if we duplicate this product, it will trigger the event we need to start our automation to run on MESA. Let's jump over to MESA. Now look at the Workflows activity page. We can see that the automation is running and then expand it to view the steps that have been completed. Returning to Shopify, we can simply refresh the new product page that was duplicated and see that the tags that OpenAI generated were successfully added. Pretty cool. MESA also includes free setup, which means we can help personalize any template or set up a custom workflow for you. Visit us at getmesa.com/support to learn more. Or get MESA from the Shopify App Store today and start automating the everyday challenges of running your Shopify store.